Hey, it's Reed Floren here, and I want to thank you for taking a look at the list building one-page resource cheat sheet. Now, before I share with you how this works, I want to make sure that we're all on the same page here, and so you know that this is for you. This is for you if you're brand new to list building and you want to get a whole bunch of free information on list building. You can use this resource to find all sorts of training on list building that'll help you out. Now, maybe you already are doing some email marketing, or maybe maybe you create like you have a blog or you have videos and you want to share with people some information about list building. This will help you find content that you can put in your own words, or it can help inspire you to create your own piece of content from the information that you learned from going through this resource cheat sheet. Now, maybe you are already a list building expert and you make your living teaching people how to do email marketing. You could use this to keep abreast of changes in email marketing and list building in particular. Or maybe you are an affiliate marketer and you want to find some affiliate products to promote on list building. You can use this tool to do that. So I'm going to share with you how you do this. If you're on a PC, you would press the control button and hold that down and then click on the links and it'll open them in a new tab. If you're on a Mac, it's the command button. So I'm going to share with you some of the places I like to go. Like, I like to check out the Google News. So look at Google News here. And so it's giving me some possible articles that I could look at that are related to list building. And obviously there's many more pages, but these are just the most recent ones. Now, an obvious place to look is checking out Google. And so this will search Google for me on list building. Now I can do the same thing for Yahoo or Bing. I like looking at the Warrior Forum because that will share, a lot of times it will talk about different questions that people are asking. And so that gives you ideas for products, and you can just click on any of these things. So I'm just going to click on one for an example, and you can read more about what people are saying. You could obviously enter into that conversation. Another nice thing about this is it's all sorted by what's most recent. So this is a great way to keep up to date on the most recent posts in here, and you can engage in that conversation. That can get you a lot of traffic back to your website, by the way. I also like checking Amazon, so I'm going to click on Amazon here, and this is giving me a whole bunch of, well, for instance, Kindle books right now that are related to list building, and a lot of them are free or really cheap. So, I mean, a lot of these, like I have Kindle Unlimited, and it's like $10 a month for Kindle Unlimited, so I could get all these ones that are free for Kindle Unlimited and save quite a bit of money because they're normally like $3 or $4 to buy. So that's a nice little tip for people. I also like searching various social media. So I like to go on Facebook and see what people are saying. These are the public posts on Facebook about list building that are the most popular, most recent right now. And so that's very helpful. I like looking on YouTube because you can get all sorts of free videos. So there's almost 100,000 videos about list building. You could probably learn a thing or two just going through some of those videos. If you are an affiliate marketer, you're going to love this. You can click on Warrior Plus, for example, and see all the list building related products on Warrior Plus. You can do the same thing with JVZoo or ClickBank. Udemy is great because they're not so much of an affiliate network, although I think you can promote courses as an affiliate on there, but it gives you some ideas of some products they're selling well. Like, look at some of these courses. Here's a $300 course on list building. I'm just going to click on this. It's 9.5 hours of video. It's $300. They got a little. They got 92 ratings. They've had 3,280 students enrolled. So they've made some pretty good money selling a course on here. Maybe I should think about selling a course on their website. That's pretty cool. I also like checking out, let's see, I really like looking at eZine articles because these are articles that you can put on your website if you want. That's very useful. I like looking at, let's see, I think it's eHow has some pretty good information usually. I guess they didn't have any this time, but I know one of these How ones tends to have a ton of things. Maybe it's WikiHow. WikiHow tends to have a lot of internet marketing information. So they have almost 15,000 results. Obviously, not all of these are going to be related, but here, how to build an email list with pictures. Okay, so here they go, step by step, how to get something going, how to build your list. You think you might learn something from looking at the information they're sharing? I mean, it's wonderful instruction that you can get there. I also like looking at Quora because people are asking actual questions. So, someone asks, is list building important? What email list building techniques are very new and promising? So let's just click on that. Here they had 12 answers, and so people are answering things. Here's some related questions. I mean, you can get a lot of potential product ideas right here, or a lot of content that you could be sharing with your audience, or that you could put into like a blog post if you wanted, by just basing it off modeling what these other people are doing. I mean, Quora is a very, very interesting website. I really like Fiverr because you can find people that could also do stuff to help you build your list. So, like, here's someone selling some list building training. Here's someone that does some kind of like social pages, but it's all stuff that's related to internet marketing, list building type things. So it's very useful. So what I recommend you do is, if you haven't ordered yet, take advantage of this, get on board. You're also going to get a bonus webinar on list building. So I really encourage you to take action. And the other bonus is you're going to be in my Facebook customer group, so you can network with other people and ask questions and learn from everyone else. So take action right now, and I'll see you in the members area.